Attention, Bay Area homeowners. Are you considering selling your home but feeling a little bit overwhelmed by the process? I'm Shannon, a local real estate expert whose team has sold over 1,000 homes in the Bay Area, and I'm excited to invite you to our upcoming free home sellers seminar. In 90 minutes, you'll gain valuable insights on current market trends in the Bay Area, proven pricing strategies to maximize your home's value without leaving money on the table, essential home preparation tips to attract buyers and create competition for your home, how to buy before selling, and a step-by-step selling process explained simply. Learn what it actually takes to sell your home for top dollar in any market. We'll share success stories like Gary Wells, who recently received multiple offers and sold his San Jose home in just 5 days for 124% of the asking price. That's a full $250K more than he was offered by off-market investors. We'll cover crucial topics such as how to easily and affordably stage your home for the highest sales price, which home improvements give you the greatest return on investment, and effective marketing strategies to showcase your property. Don't let the stress of selling your home hold you back. Research shows that selling a home can be more stressful than planning a wedding or even the thought of being fired from your job. That's why this seminar is designed to arm you with the knowledge and confidence that you need for a successful sale. And as a bonus, all attendees will receive a complimentary assortment of breakfast pastries, muffins, and Phil's coffee. Spaces are limited, so reserve your spot today. Visit www.bayareaworkshops.com or call me at 760-401-5268 to register. Your dream sale starts with the right knowledge. Let me help you get there.